Hey, welcome back. I'm Jason Hardy with Lee Barbecue Smokers, and today I'll try to take all them Christmas leftover turkey you had, all of that, and turn it into a turkey pot pie. You're gonna love this one. So let's get to prepping so we can get to cooking. So come on.
So the first thing we gotta do, we gotta make our pie crust for our turkey pot pie. It's pretty simple. We're gonna have 2.5 cups all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of sugar. Mix this all together. I'm gonna take this, pour it right into my mixing bowl right here. It's got my mixer right here with the S hook on it. I'm gonna take this and lock it in place. Now, you need some cold butter. That's what you'll need. So I'm gonna take about half of this stick right here. I'm gonna drop it in. All right, so I've got my flour in the mixer right now. What I'm gonna do is got an S hook on there. I'm gonna drop it down. What I'm gonna do is start this on low. So I'm gonna go to about a good 5 on this. I'm gonna start it. And it's gonna start mixing it together. As it's doing that, I'm gonna add a little bit more butter into it. Got about 4 tablespoons of butter. Add a little bit of my water to it. What I want to do is get it to be crumbly. Now get everything in there, I'm gonna turn it to high. Once it start getting kind of crumbly, I'm gonna put it back down on real low, about 3. Now, stop it. Let's see what we got. You see what we got here, it's real crumbly right here. What I want to do is be able to sort of maintain shape. I'm not trying to get it into a bread batter so much, I just want to be able to maintain shape. So I'm gonna take it and flip it over my hands, turn it over a little bit. I can take my hands and ball it up like this. That's what I'm looking for. Also, if you like this video so far, do me a favor, subscribe to our channel, like it, leave a comment down below, please, and let me know what you think. We're also looking for new ideas to cook every week. So we appreciate y'all watching, we really truly do. It does mean a lot to us. Press it and fold it on itself a little bit. All right, so once I've got it shaped up into a loaf here, I'm going to take some saran wrap, I'll wrap this up tight, I'll put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for about an hour. Let's wrap it up. All right, so now we're gonna start making our filling for our turkey pot pie. Got about half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of butter, about 2 cups of diced potatoes. I'm gonna set this to high because I want this water to start boiling to start breaking down our potatoes and making them soft. So as you can see, our potatoes are nice and done. I'll add another 2 tablespoons of butter to it. Then I'm gonna start adding the rest of my ingredients to it. About 3/4 cup of onions. 3 ribs of celery. So now about a cup of frozen vegetables. We got some carrots, some green beans, and some corn in here. Now I've got all this in here, I'm just gonna start mixing it up very well. So now what we're gonna do is put a lid back on our pot and turn off the heat. We're gonna let the steam of it finish cooking the other vegetables. All right, so now we start making our sauce for our turkey pot pie. Got right here about 2 cups of chicken broth. You can use water and chicken bouillon if you want to. I'm gonna pour this in this skillet. While that's getting hot, I'm gonna take this mixing bowl right here and start mixing our ingredients. I've got 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and some salt, pepper, garlic. I'm gonna take this and kind of whisk it together. Get all the ingredients kind of mixed throughout it. Once I've got it done that way, add 3/4 cup of milk. Now that I've got it mixed together good, I'm putting my skillet with my chicken broth. Now I'm gonna keep whisking this together until it gets thickened on me. Looking to kind of thicken up so it'll be a good sauce to have in my turkey pot pie. So as you can see, it's thickened up really well. What I'm gonna do now is turn this off, pull away from the heat, and let it cool down a little while. In just a minute, we'll start assembling our turkey pot pie. So stick around, we'll be right back. Now we start assembling turkey pot pie. I just took the pie crust out of the refrigerator here. It's been chilled about 2 hours. Roll it out. So I'm gonna take my surface right here, start with a little bit of flour. Now I'm gonna take my knife and cut my dough in half. Take it, start making the shape. I'm just gonna keep doing this until I get the thickness I'm looking for. It's a good idea to get the pan we're gonna use so you know the size you're looking for. This is gonna be the bottom one right here, so I want this one to be a little bit bigger as far as roundness to it, because it's gonna cover the bottom and the sides. A good trick to this is keep it as cold as possible. All right, once I've got it kind of rolled out to the thickness I'm looking for, I'm gonna take it and fold it in half. I'm gonna fold it again in half again. What this will do is give me my point to be the center of my pan. So now I take it right here in the bottom, put that, lay that right there in the center. What we've done here, then I'll unroll it. Then I'll unroll it. This gives you a pretty good idea of where we are, and I can shift it around and move it around, but as you can see, we're pretty close to the edges that we're looking for. Roll it up here a little bit. Now what I'm gonna do is kind of make sure I push it in the bottom corner so I can get really good. It's all around the bottom like that. All right, so what I'm gonna do before I start making my top one here, I'm gonna roll my top one out, and then we'll put everything together. Got my vegetables here, they all mix well together. Put a little bit in, spread it out a little bit. I got about a good 3/4 cup packed, about a cup of unpacked chopped turkey here. Mix it out some. Then I'll add a little bit of our sauce mixture to it. It's cool out here, so it's thickened up pretty good on me. Mix it in place. Add some more vegetables. The rest of my little bit of turkey. And the rest of my sauce. Spread it out good. Now, I'm gonna put my top layer on it. So you see when you fold it, you got the point here. So put the point in the center. Just fold out and fold out. That way you got a nice cover throughout the whole pie. And push down the edges a little bit. Kind of push it inside and pack it down a little bit. Once you got that, start taking it and start crimping up your edges. There's 1,000 ways to do this. I'm not sure there's any one right and wrong way. This is not my wife's way though. The goal is to make it taste good and look good. It's gonna look good and it's gonna taste good. I just hope you're the ones that get the nice little big crump of the crust right there. That's what a bunch of flavors at. Now once I've got my crust like this, what I'm doing now is doing an X pattern in it. You know that X marks the spot? So now I'll take my egg wash and put on top of it. This is the egg yolk with some heavy cream. This will give a really good color to it. Feel free to change this recipe, add some more salt if you like more salt flavor to it, more garlic or more pepper. Feel free to make this your own. This is just kind of a good, simple recipe that we've enjoyed making. But you're welcome to make it your own and let me know how it is. When you make this, put it on Facebook, tag Elite Barbecue Smokers. Also, if you like this video so far, do me a favor, subscribe to our channel, like it, leave a comment down below, please, and let me know what you think. We're also looking for new ideas to cook every week. So we appreciate y'all watching, we really truly do. It does mean a lot to us. So we've got this. Looks nice and pretty, don't it? All right, so we got turkey pot pie assembled. We're gonna put this on the Rectech 380, cooking at 325 degrees. We're gonna cook it till we get a nice and golden brown color. Everything's already cooked. All we focus on right now is outside color. Be right back. All right, so as you've seen, we took it out Rectech 380. We let it rest a while. Now let's slice it and let's see what it tastes like. Y'all ready? I know I'm ready. I'm gonna come right down the middle. We got these X marks the spots for a reason. All right, let's give us a slice. This first slice is always a tricky one. Look at that. Don't that look good? God, that thing looks good, don't it? That's how you do it, boys and girls, right here. That's absolutely delicious. This crust, homemade crust, got that buttery taste into it, along with the filling we had. That's how you do it, man. Perfect recipe to use for your holiday leftovers. You got turkey, use it to make this turkey pot pie. It's a great recipe, I promise you. It's very simple, but the flavor is just out of this world. All that being said, let's see what Dolly thinks. She's a real judge. She heard her name, boy, she done a U-turn in a hurry. Dolly liked it. Dolly like it? No, you would too. Now let's say the blessing. Let's go eat. Lord, bless food by our seed. In Jesus' name pray. Amen. If you like this video, do me a favor. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Please subscribe to our channel, we greatly appreciate that. There'll be a link up here to the video for the roasted turkey we done for this video. I promise you, that's one recipe you want to check out. In addition to that, there'll be another link up here to a playlist of holiday meal plans. You'll love them. I promise you'll have something there for you to check out. With all that being said, appreciate y'all watching. See you next time.